How to use Perplexity AI for research. If you're trying to research a topic for school, work, or just to learn something new, Perplexity AI can be an amazing tool. First things first, type into the search bar. For a good research answer straight away, ask a broader question. You can add in your simple prompt and then hit enter. Right away, Perplexity gives you a well written summary. It pulls together information from different websites to give you a clearer overview. By default, it searches the entire web, but if you're doing academic research, you can click on this icon and make sure that the academic option is selected. This tells Perplexity to prioritize scientific papers and reliable sources. What you can also do is dig deeper by adding in follow-up questions. Perplexity remembers your original topic so that new answers are connected as well. You can build your understanding piece by piece so that the conversation that you have with Perplexity looks like a real research. Once the answers now have been published, you can see different citations or different websites that it has gathered information from. As you normally do on Google, you'll have sections such as images or sources on the top. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll have a section called Related, which will help you out further in understanding a particular topic. You can just click on this plus icon as you do on Google, and it's going to give you answers to those questions as well. So by following this method, you can use Perplexity AI for your research. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.